How y'all doing? Chris Stoy here again. Today I wanted to talk to y'all about who is the best car wreck lawyer for me. I'm going to discuss a few things that you may want to look for. First and foremost is you want to find a lawyer or a law firm that lives near and works in the city where you're injured. Don't fall victim to those mass advertising car wreck firms that kind of have like a satellite office. Now if they've got a lawyer that lives in that city and he's lived there for a while, that may be okay, but don't go just for the mass advertising firms. It may not work out for your benefit. You want someone that knows the judges and the lawyers in the community, which in fact is my second thing that you want to look for, and that's a lawyer who has heavy involvement in the local bar for the city where you were injured. You can often find this on their bio page. Look for a lawyer who's president of the Bar Association in the past, or was on the Young Lawyers Board, something like that. It shows that they've been involved in the bar, they know the judges, they know the people. It shows they know the community. So when it comes time to settle your case, they're going to know what a jury would likely award in the event that your case goes to trial. This is very important because you're going to be relying on the lawyer to tell you about the value of the case. Third, this is very important to me. I would look for a lawyer whose results page boasts of verdicts and not just settlements. You see so many lawyers that say, we settled a case for $500,000, or we settled a case for $250,000. Hey, settlements are great. 90% of cases settle, and we love settling cases if we can because it keeps you from having to spend time in trial. But in the end, if your case is going to go to trial, you want a warrior, somebody that's been there, not just someone that signs up cases and settle them. Fourth, if we're on number 4, find a firm that actually sends you a lawyer to sign you up or has you come into the office to meet with the lawyer. Some of these bigger firms, they send what they call sign-up guys, or they even have acronyms for them called SUGs. If you call a law firm and they send a SUG to sign you up, say, no sir. Call us. We'll send you a lawyer. You can come into our office, meet with me, meet with my partner, but do not sign up with a sign-up guy, because you can bet that when it comes time for your case to be worked up and all that, you're not going to actually be dealing with the lawyer. You'll be dealing with another staff member that's not going to provide you the adequate care and attention that you need. Fifth, find a lawyer that's willing to give you a free consultation. If a lawyer is charging for the initial consultation, run. This is too many red flags. It means he's probably not been around the block. I mean, no lawyer gives or charges for a free initial consultation. Next, find a lawyer who's always responsive. If from the get-go, if you're calling and you can't get the lawyer to call you up, that means there's a problem with them. You want a lawyer that's going to be responsive, because when your case starts moving along, you're going to want to know about when you have a trial or a deposition, anything like that. So look for a responsive lawyer and make sure his staff is responsive as well. Next, look for a lawyer who has good client reviews. Usually you can find these on the website for that lawyer. Now, of course, they're probably going to have only good reviews, but you'll also be able to look on Google and Facebook, other sites like that, and look at the number of stars they have, look at the reviews that have been provided. There are some firms out there that unfortunately don't have great reviews. Don't go with them. Lastly, no fee unless the lawyer wins. If a lawyer is not willing to represent you on a contingency fee basis, run for the hills. You don't want to be paying out of your pocket for a car wreck case. There are tons of lawyers out there that will represent you on a contingency fee. Now, the going standard rate is 1/3 if you're able to get the case settled without filing suit, 40% if you have to file suit. Some lawyers will charge you 45%. That's way too much. Do not do that. Some will offer a lower percentage, 28%. They're usually trying to undercut the industry at that point. Hey, they may be great lawyers. I'm not saying they are or they aren't, but I'm telling you the industry standard is 33.33% if you're able to get the case resolved without filing suit, and 40% if you have to file suit. If you have any other questions, continue reading our blog on our website at www.warriorsforjustice.com. If you've been involved in a car wreck and you need help, give us a shout. Our office number is 817-820-0100. I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.